Hey guys, it's me Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to start with a new video of basic French. So, in today's video, we are going to learn the vegetables which are called as les légumes. So, do remember that I'll be pronouncing the French pronunciations 2 times. So, let's get started. Here we have the first vegetable that is called as a brinjal, and it in French is pronounced as une aubergine. Une aubergine. Next we have is a cucumber which is concombre. Concombre. Then we have a carrot which is une carotte. Une carotte. Then comes an onion which is an oignon. An oignon. Then we have a potato which is une pomme de terre. Une pomme de terre. Next comes a cauliflower which is a chou-fleur. A chou-fleur. Then we have a tomato which is une tomate. Une tomate. Next comes a mushroom which is a champignon. A champignon. Then we have a bell pepper which is called as a poivron. A poivron. Then we have the peppers which can also be called as chilies are des piments. Des piments. Then we have lettuce which is laitue. Laitue. Then we have peas which are called as des pois. Des pois. Then we have a cabbage which is a chou. A chou. Then comes beans which are called as des haricots. Des haricots. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.